Welcome Year 3 to our new topic on flow. This video today is to help you learn how to use the Knowledge Organiser. So this Knowledge Organiser is one we've seen throughout the year, and each time it's obviously focused on our topic. If you'd like more information on our topic, please see the website where there's information on geography and what we're doing in geography, what we'll be looking at in English, and all the connections with the other subjects as well. Well, how to use this Knowledge Organiser? You've got the two sections this time. You've got the previous learning section and the middle vocab section. There are also diagrams around the outside to help you learn about different rivers, about the mountains, and about that water cycle as well. If you'd like to learn more after this video on how to use Knowledge Organiser, please see Miss Evans' video that she created previously that goes into a lot more detail on different games and things that you can play as well. I'm just going to zoom in this right hand section here. So this here is a information paragraph about your previous learning. So in the previous learning, and it's connected with Year 2 and what we've done in Year 3 and also what they've done in previous years as well. So if you have a look at this, it's things like going through, seeing if you can remember the 7 continents, the 5 oceans, naming and locating. We've obviously just done the UK in our previous topics, so seeing if you can remember the 4 countries, the capital cities, see if you can name all those, and that can be done through cutting them up, doing flashcards, seeing if you can draw them on a map. There's all different, and you can do your own fact files, lots of things that we've been working on in class. Looking at the geographical vocabulary, this is something that's used all the time, but it's making sure that you know where these are, knowing how they link with flow, and the impact that the rivers and mountains can have as well. So looking at those different features and the impact. Using scale maps, there is lots of different maps on this Knowledge Organiser today, because on there you'll have you've got the different mountain ranges, you've got the Europe map, and you've got obviously photographs of what it looks like for the river to go into the sea. Looking at the atlases, these are extra things you can do at home. So seeing if you can find the map, find the mountains, find the maps, find the rivers. We did this in class when we looked at the atlases and we used a map of the UK and we located the rivers. This can be something that can be done as well at home to build on your previous learning. Now, the big section in the middle is just going to be a connection of all that key vocabulary that we're learning this half term. So it's about, there's a lot of words in here to do with the water cycle. These are mentioned on the picture in the right hand side down here as well. But it's looking, and all these things like the evaporation, the menders, all of that terminology for the rivers, and it will be built on throughout the topic. So it's learning those vocabs. You can print them off as cards, flashcards, see if you can name them on the different pictures, see if you can connect them with things that we've done before. Now on the top here, there are some pictures of UK rivers and mountains. So that might be something that you want to research. So with your Knowledge Organiser, you might want to name what those are. You can maybe then research them as well. If I zoom in on the right hand side here, bear with me a moment. You've got the main rivers of the world. You could learn these, you could go fact files about them, you could develop your knowledge. We have already started to learn about rivers and mountains. So we've looked at the most famous in the world. Maybe you can link that with what you've done in class, talking about where they are, which countries they're in, which continents, and linking all that previous learning in as well. Going down to the bottom, you've got the features of a river, which is where this vocabulary will go into as well, and looking at the different parts of seeing if you can label it yourself. Then the water cycle on the bottom right hand corner, so that is all things that we'll be doing in our geography topic this half term. So it's looking at how the rivers and the mountains contribute to this as well. On the bottom, in the middle, you've got, and the right and the left hand side, you've got mountains. So again, all of these pictures or these resources can be used to develop your understanding. You can do extra research, you can make sure keep revisiting it, covering bits up, seeing if you can remember them from last time. But as I said previously, if you would like to know more information on how to use Knowledge Organisers in general, please see Miss Evans' Knowledge Organiser. So that was just a quick tutorial on how to use our Knowledge Organiser for our Summer 2 topic flow. If you have any further questions, please make sure you ask. This will be given out within their homework for the children to learn as well. Thank you ever so much for watching.